Fortinet, we're basically here to showcase the solutions that we have, including the cybersecurity platform that we've built. We are showcasing specific solutions. These include zero trust network access solutions. We have a special focus also on operational technology or OT security, as well as other products that are offered by Fortinet. We have several demo points at our stand, so everyone's welcome to join and visit the Fortinet booth, as well as to view the solutions that we carry. In terms of AI, helping managing the environments, it's really a necessity today. We're seeing more and more data, more and more logs, more and more information coming to the IT team, and really the only way to manage all of this is to help of machine learning backed systems. What we want to do is we want to build environments where the system can automatically identify if there is something wrong. A good example is the digital user experience. So if we have users that are basically today used to the fact that the service that they get is extremely fast, there are no delays, no issues with it. The moment they see that the sites are not websites, as an example, do not work properly, most likely they will try another competing website. Maybe it's a purchase that they're trying to make online. Something goes wrong with the access to the website, you will see users switching to something else. So for organizations to have a system that actually monitors this type of digital user experience, and potentially is also able to respond and fix, we're talking about self-healing networks, fix these potential issues even before they appear, that's really the ultimate goal for us. Multicloud, it's an interesting thing because if you look at the current environment, very few organizations that shift to cloud really just rely on a single public cloud provider. Rather, a multi-cloud approach is normally the approach that we see end users taking. The problem there is that each of the cloud providers really have completely different environments. Managing the security within these environments becomes a bit of a headache. So where we try to help is really to provide solutions that give this visibility across all of the clouds where the deployments are made, as well as then being able to manage and respond to any threats that happen within the environment. With OT, we've seen over the past year, majority of the organizations are actually being compromised. There are breaches across the OT environments, and the difference here between traditional IT environments really is that the risks, the results could be more devastating. We're talking about potentially critical environments needed for power distribution, water distribution, and if these get impacted, human lives will get also impacted. Now, for us to secure these type of environments, there are several issues. Traditionally, the environments have been separated from the IT environment. With the request and the requirement to have the information flowing across the IT and OT environments, we end up with situations where there's actually a connectivity between the IT networks as well as the OT environment. Securing these requires special knowledge, special tools, because the protocols are not the traditional IT protocols that we see. The solutions deployed in OT, they're not the traditional IT solutions either. Having a unified visibility across the entire environment is critical, and once we have the visibility, we can then start addressing any potential threats. Providing overall solutions that integrate together, work together, this is one of the critical points that we see in the coming future for OT security.